As at the close of the session, or rather the evening of the 12th of May 2021, Tesla went on, or through its CEO says it has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin based on a tweet. So yeah, and he went on to say, we are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. He went on to add that cryptocurrency is a good idea, but its use cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Further added that Tesla wouldn't be selling any of its Bitcoin stash and plans to begin reusing for transactions once mining transitions to more sustainable energy. So went on to say, he also says went on to say Tesla is looking into other cryptos that use only a fraction of Bitcoin's energy. Bitcoin, okay, we know what happened with Bitcoin with all that announcement, and then this is also a further to that. And I say it's a cryptocurrency confusion sends Tesla stock below 200 moving average. Let's quickly show you that. Yes, hold on. This is where it is, 571. It's definitely below. This is the 50-day moving average. It's clearly below that, and we can see the readout is saying here price crossed below 200-day moving average. Price dropped through the 50-day 200-day moving average. Price dropped, says price dropped through the 200-day moving average of $581.18 on below average volume. All of this happened on the 13th of May 2021. That was the last trading session since we made this video. And we can see this is CFRA research calls on Tesla on its view that cryptocurrency dalliance has confused some investors. Analyst Garrett Nelson says, in reality, we believe very few vehicle purchases took place using Bitcoin, given the significant cash gains tax liabilities such transactions could incur. We think Tesla's foray into cryptocurrency has both weighed on the stock's valuation and modeled the story, raising a plethora of questions regarding its capital allocation strategy, such as why the return on investment on Bitcoin might outweigh that of a new vehicle factory. It also noted that the drop in Bitcoin today impacts the value of Tesla's $1.3 billion position as of the end of Q1. Bitcoin was down 13.45% at last check. Looking ahead, Nelson and team think rising EV competition is a headwind for Tesla that needs to be factored in. CFRA keeps a hold rating on Tesla and lowers its target multiple on Tesla and assigns a new price target of 600 versus 700 prior. And this is the last, I think. This is Elon Musk's, rather Tesla's chief said it's back at, okay, rather it says that the Tesla chief is back at it on Twitter this evening. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can drive a massive increase in fossil fuel use, especially coal. The comments seem to be behind the modest bounce in the price of Bitcoin, which has since returned just under 50,000. Maybe more interesting. Coinbase president and CEO Emily Choi appearing on Bloomberg after the company's first public earnings release talks about a number of misconceptions surrounding Bitcoin mining and energy use. She notes that 75% of miners use renewable energy to do their work, suggests that there is more to the Musk tweets than meets the eye. Okay, so all in all, let's have a look and see. These are a few ETFs that are Bitcoin related. You can see this one has equally retraced. Yes, this is, but it was equally retracing. This is as of the 12th of May. It was below all of the short and intermediate trend lines, but as at 13th, the close of 13th, it was even retraced further. So That's one. That's it's called Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and the other one is First Bitcoin Capital Corp. This is an ETF as well. Mm-hmm. Over-the-counter market. I think it's an ETF. Is it a stock? Okay, so probably related to Bitcoin. For sure, it is related to Bitcoin. So you can see it's trading below all of its trend lines. So I'm not very sure this is First Bitcoin Capital, probably related to Bitcoin. Can we get a pop-up on the summary of First Bitcoin? Okay, no, not available. So in any case, I think this is the more reliable one because it's well known. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Yes, it's definitely well known, as we can see it's actually retraced. So all in all, let's return to Bitcoin and see what's going on there. So we have huge memory consumption. That's why the screen goes blank. So technically, yes, if it's trading below all of its trend lines, including a long-term trend line, 200-day trend line, technically it's a buy. So there's a good chance, Tesla will, the stock will move up again easily. This retracement is good for the stock. It has cooled off, yeah, and like the analysts pointed out, it's now been associated with Bitcoin. So Elon Musk was literally shooting himself on the foot by going in that direction. Indeed, he probably has to make a stance concerning the environment and all that stuff, but it also concerns his company, the stock, because by even having a 1.3 billion dollar stake in Bitcoin, and also expecting customers to pay with Bitcoin. The company or Tesla is well into Bitcoin. It is seriously involved with Bitcoin. So he didn't think that he didn't think about that tweet very very well. Probably he would have put it out in a better way, because well, it has caused the stock to retrace, and it's a good opportunity for those who can afford to get into the stock. Okay, see, it started retracing from the 7th of May. So it is if it retraces any further, this will make it 7 tradings, or rather 5 trading sessions of retracements. So in any case, though, this is what's going on with Tesla and the impact of that tweet. So I think that CFRA recommendation, one might have it here. CFRA, that's it. Yes, that's the this exactly as of the 14th of May. That's it. CFRA stock report. That's the same one we read out for you over there. Concerning Tesla, says what does it say there? So we estimate Tesla's revenue will rise by about 58% in 2021 and 39% in 2022. Okay, we see Tesla's sales rising by 56% in 2021 and all that stuff. Let's see whether they gave any opinion on that Bitcoin issue. Okay, we can't see anything concerning that. but this is yes, that's the same one, the same report, so I think maybe further below we might see a an indication to that report where they mentioned the dalliance with Bitcoin. So yes, in any case though, it's definitely there somewhere, but we can't locate it. So yes, thank you very much for watching this video. You've been updated concerning Tesla and its Bitcoin dalliance. Thank you.